children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying safe at home. Okay, children, your exams are over. You all have done your exams well. Okay, good. Now it's time to back on online class. Today you are going to learn a new topic. Your next lesson, lesson 3, forgiving others. Forgiving others. In this lesson, you are full and fully going to learn about forgiveness. Forgiveness. Children, have you ever heard this word forgiveness? Yes, forgiveness means forgiving others for the mistakes. See, now you are all in home. At home, you may be misbehaving. You may be disturbing your parent. You may be teasing your sister or elder siblings. Likewise, you may be doing some things, isn't it? At that time, if your parent punish you, you will be get anger. If they forgive you, you will be very happier person. That is the difference between punishing and forgiving. If they forgive, you will smile and you will be happy. But if they hurt you or punish you, you will be anger and sad, isn't it? So that is the difference. From this story, also you will learn how to forgive others, and forgiveness gives some moral values to you. Likewise, you can learn to forgive others through this lesson 3. Okay, children, your lesson 3 topic is forgiving others. See, in this lesson, forgiving others, have a story. Let go of and move on. Let go of and move on. Before starting the lesson, you have a warm-up story regarding this lesson, forgiving others. So this story teaches you the main theme of the lesson, forgiving others. So let's watch the story now.
Caleb, you broke my toy.
I didn't mean to. I'm sorry.
You always say that.
Well, I am sorry.
Well, that won't fix my toy.
What's wrong, children?
He broke my toy. I told him not to touch it.
I said I was sorry.
You always say you're sorry.
Okay, children. So Caleb broke your toy.
But that's not all he did. He ate my ice cream. He went into my room without asking. And he scribbled on my songbook.
Well, I am sorry.
Sophia, can you think of anything you have done wrong?
Well, I forgot to make up my bed. I lost my homework. And I didn't do the dishes.
Yes, it's not easy to remember our mistakes. But are you sorry? Do you know what Jehovah does when we are truly sorry? He reminds us at Ephesians 4:32. It says, God freely forgave you. Sophia, what does it mean to freely forgive?
I am sorry, Sophia.
It's okay, Caleb. I forgive you.
Ah, good children. That makes Jehovah very happy.
Anybody know where the mess came from?
Uh-oh.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos.
Children, did you all enjoy the warm-up story? So, from this story itself, you have covered your lesson 3, forgiving others. Now, let's move to your story. Let go of hurt and move on. Let go of hurt and move on. That means forgive and move on. Okay. See, now let's enjoy your story. Let go of and move on. See, children, in this story, there were two best friends. One girl named Varsha and another girl named Parna. Varsha and Parna. See, this Varsha and Parna were playing in Parna's house. Parna bought a new train set and they were playing with that new train set. The Varsha and Parna liked the train set very much. Parna thought that it was the best toy she ever had. So Varsha also think the same. See, at that time, they admired the beauty of the train set. The train set had bright colored coaches and the flashing signal lights were very, very admirable. So, this Varsha thought of taking the flashing signal lights in her hand. While she took the flashing signal lights in her hand, the light slipped from her hand and fell into the floor. And there was a small crack in that signal light. At once, Parna started crying and scolded Varsha. Why you do like this, She shouted Varsha. So Varsha also felt sad for that and she asked sorry also. But this Parna did not accept her sorry and she shouted at her and told her to get out of his house and she will never play with her again. By hearing this angry voice, Varsha got very upset and ran away from her house and she also burst into tears. By hearing Parna's angry voice, Parna's mother came out to talk with Parna and Parna's mother asked what happened. Parna replied that Varsha broke her new train set. By hearing this, Parna's mother told her it was done by mistake. Accidentally it was happened. So why you shouted Varsha? But she refused to accept this. What her mother told, she refused to accept. And she told that this Varsha purposely broke her train set. By hearing this, Parna's mother remembered her that last week you too broke my favorite vase and also I forgive you at that time. But why you are refusing to forgive Varsha now? But Parna replied that I did that mistake unknowingly and I said sorry too. By hearing this, Parna's mother asked her, did Varsha told sorry to you? She replied yes. So her mother told her to forgive Varsha. Now Parna realized her mistake and felt sorry for not forgiving Varsha. She also became upset. Now Parna's mother told her to go to Varsha's house and ask sorry to her and play with her again. Now Parna happily ran to Varsha's house and Parna told her mother that she will surely ask sorry to Varsha and play with her again. Now Parna's mother said that friends will always forgive each other's mistakes. So forgiveness is very important among friends. So you children, you should be very careful in forgiving others. So don't hate people for small mistakes. Okay, if you keep mind in the not forgiving others, you will lose a good friend. You will lose a good friend. Children, your third unit is forgiving others. Forgiving others. See, as you are running down the stairs, a boy pushes you. You hurt your knee. You are in pain. You are also angry that the boy who pushed you did not even stop to help you or say sorry. I will punish him harder and walk away. Then he will know how I am feeling. You think angrily. Sometimes our family and friends hurt us by what they say and do. We carry that hurt in our heart, and after a while it becomes heavy. We become angry and wish to hurt the other person in turn. Hurting them back will make the other person angry, but it will not make us happy. Instead of hurting back, we must learn to forgive others. Forgiveness means saying, I am sorry to the person you caused hurt. This will help us put our anger away and be friends with them. Again, forgiving the person who has hurt us makes that person happy. It also makes us happy. If you hurt someone, wouldn't you like that person to forgive too? Let's read about two girls who learned to forgive and be happy. Here is a story. Let go of the hurt and move on. Let go of the hurt and move on. See, Varsha and Parna were playing with Parna's new train set. They loved the bright colors of the train coaches, the big flashing signal lights, and the tracks on which the train ran round and round. This is my best toy ever, said Parna. Varsha thought so too. She picked up the signal to admire it. As it flashed the red and green lights, the signal slipped and fell down to the floor. The red light cracked a little. Parna was very upset. Oh no, my new train set, you have broken it. Without the red light, it is no longer the same. She started crying. Go away, Varsha. I will never play with you again, she said. Varsha felt very sad. I am so sorry, Parna, she said many times, but Parna would not listen. Go away, never come to my home again, she said angrily. Varsha burst into tears and ran out of her friend's house. Hearing Parna's angry voice, her mother called out, What's happening here? Parna ran to her mother and said, Varsha broke my toy. Mother took the signal and looked at it. It is not completely broken, Parna. It is still working, she said. That's just a small crack. Varsha didn't mean to break it. Mother looked at Parna's angry face. Did Varsha say sorry? You must forgive her and be friends again. No, said Parna, I can never forgive her. Well, remember, you broke my favorite vase last week. I can't forgive you for that either, said her mother firmly. Parna looked at her mother. But you know I didn't mean to break it, and I said I am sorry. Varsha said sorry too. She didn't mean to break your toy either, said mother. Now Parna understood how people feel when they are not forgiven for a mistake. She felt bad for not forgiving Varsha. I'll go to Varsha's house and say sorry for being so mean, she said. I want to be friends with her. It is more important to me than a toy. I'll forgive her. Parna's mother said, I'm sure she will be happy to be friends with you again. Friends always forgive each other's mistakes. This is the story of lesson 3. Now let's understand. Forgiving others is not easy, but there are some things which help us understand why people hurt us. Knowing this helps us to forgive them. Knowing the reason why someone hurt you, someone might hurt you by mistake. For instance, your friend may have hit you because he was upset at losing a match. Understanding this helps you to forgive him. Knowing something about a person. Your friend has a toothache and is in a bad mood. You did not know this. You ask her to join you to play. She pushes you away. Understanding why she is upset will help you to forgive her. Feeling sorry for a person. A new boy in your class has no friends. So, sometimes when you speak to him, he sounds rude. Knowing that he has no friends helps to you to forgive him. Forgiveness means letting go of feelings like anger and sadness when someone hurts you. Your lesson 3 notes. Lesson 3, forgiving others. Forgiving others. First Roman letter, choose the correct answers. Choose the correct answers. First one, instead of hurting back, we must learn to dash others. Forgive. Answer is forgive. Instead of hurting back, we must learn to forgive others. Forgiveness will help us put our anger away and be dash with them. Forgiveness will help us put our angers away and be friends with them. Third one, forgiving the person who has dashed us makes that person happy. Forgive the person who has hurt us makes that person happy. Hurting the person back will make the other person dash. Hurting the person back will make the other person angry. Friends always forgive each other's dash. Friends always forgive each other's mistakes. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Varsha and Parna were playing with Parna's new dash set. Varsha and Parna were playing with Parna's new train set. Train set. Second one, the signal slipped and fell down to the dash. The signal slipped and fell down to the floor. Floor, F-L-O-O-R, floor. Third one, the red light dashed a little. The red light cracked a little. Cracked. C-R-A-C-K-E-D. Cracked. Fourth one, Varsha burst into dash and ran out of her friend's house. Varsha burst into tears, 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 and ran out of her friend's house. Fifth one, Parna felt bad for not dash Varsha. Parna felt bad for not forgiving, Forgiving, forgiving Varsha. Third Roman letter, match the following: bright colors, bright colors. Second one, flashing signal lights, flashing signal lights. Third one, small crack, small crack. Fourth one, angry face, angry face. Happy, happy friends, happy friends. Children, I hope you all have enjoyed today's lesson very much. So in your lesson 3, forgiving others, you have fully learned about how to forgive others' mistakes. By forgiving others' mistakes, others will also be happy, and so we also be happy. So being a happier person is more important, isn't it? So forgiving others is also very, very important. So don't forget to forgive others. Forgive and